Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be checking out how to edit private label right videos. Now, why might you want to do that? Primarily because you might have, say for example, you want to be able to create a course, or maybe you want to be able to give it to your email list, or perhaps you might want to use it as a lead magnet, or whatever you might want to use it for. I got asked the other day, are private label right products still relevant? Yes, they are, very much. And the good thing about the ebooks and that sort of thing is you can have AI edit it. And you can also use AI to edit some of the video courses as well. But today we're not going to be looking at the AI editing. I'm going to be showing you how to edit using just an editing software. And today's editing software that I'm using is Camtasia. I know it's an expensive software, but you can try other ones. Say for example, CapCuts, or one of the other ones that you can do, because the principles will be very much the same. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, have you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to know is if we're going to be editing PLR videos, we need to know where to get PLR videos from. Well, I'm actually going to be right here in a place called In Digital Works. Now, I'm going to suggest that you go over here where it says when you do sign up, the pricing of this is quite reasonable, and it does have like a lifetime membership as well. So if you want to have a look at this, you've got the gold lifetime membership, which is $97. If you're a silver free member, you can get 200 free products, or you can upgrade to the $25 pack, which I am not sure how long that goes for. I don't think that's okay. You can choose that one if you want to, but I would suggest you get lifetime membership to everything at $97. Anyhow, let's go back to where we were. And I'm going to now go choose a product. Now what we're going to do is go over here to where it says products, go over here to under videos, and then we're going to choose private label rights. I'm going to click on that. And we're going to go choose a particular one here. So I know that this one here has a video course in it. I'm just going to click on that. And we go down here to where it says description, terms, and preview. Let's just double check something here. You've got some upsell pages here, but let's click on this part here. And you've got high quality videos, voiceover for audios, PowerPoint presentations, upsell sales page, high quality professional graphics, and email swipes. But the one I'm interested in right now is the PowerPoint slides. And okay, that's nice. All right. So that we've got all that, I'm now going to go up here and download this to my desktop. I'll just pause the video while I do that. Now there are several options you can do here. One is you can actually go in here, go find the actual videos, go here, and when you go in here you can have a look at all the videos they've got. You can open that up and
Chapter 1, Introduction to
cut this section out. Now what I'm saying by this section is the introduction page. Allow me to show you in the PowerPoint slide what I'm referring to. Go over here to the PowerPoint slides. If you go over here to any one of these, click on here, open that up, and you'll see that this is the introduction page. You can literally remove that introduction page and then, or you can change it to make it unique to you. So you can put your own branding in there. You can put your own image in there if you wish to. You can change this up any way you want. And the best part about that is you can make it, you can then record this screen and then lay it over the top of this particular one that we had up here before. Lay it over the top of that other video. So allow me to quickly show you how you would do that. I'm just going to quickly grab that video, drag that over here, pop this, oops, daisy, grab my Camtasia, open here, put that over there, principle of all this is going to be very similar to a lot of other softwares that you've got out there, so it's not going to be too much different. So if you were to just press play here, and
Chapter 2, Building a Strong Digital Presence. In faceless marketing.
Okay, so we got chapter 2, developing a face. So what I can do here is to just go back over here till it gets to where it changes. Now before I do that, let's separate the audio. Right click there, put that up there. Now I'm going to drag that across here till that audio, till the visual changes to the next frame. There we are. Go back one. And all I would need to do is just slice that section just down here. So I'm going to cut that and remove that. Now when I shrink this, I'm going to go back a little bit. When I shrink this down, you'll see what's happened. You'll see that it's actually removed that little bit just there. So what you would need to do, if you were going to stay with that PowerPoint slide, is you would change this PowerPoint slide up. Introduction to Faceless Marketing. Actually, you want to go find the correct one. In my case, it will be chapter 2. So I'll just go get that and I'll bring it straight over. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'd change the name of this. I'd go chapter 2, Building a Strong Digital Presence. Chapter 2, How to Create a Strong Presence Online, or something along those lines. So I'll just pause it while I do that. Now another thing I would do is I'd change the colors of the font so as to make it unique to you. Of course, you just change it to whatever you want, and of course, orange being one of my favorite colors, I would do that, and then I would just change all of these different things like that, and this, all of this would get changed. I would also look at changing this image as well, and changing that, and basically making it so that it's completely different. I could also remove that background just there, click on that, and just change all the colors over. Let me just pause the video while I go do that. Now another thing I would do in this particular case is maybe go to somewhere like Pixabay and go to their illustration section and grab a transparent image from there and drop that into that section just there. Then all I would do from this point is I'm just going to go over here to slideshow, go over here from beginning, and then I would record this screen here for about 4 or 5 seconds. And once I did that, I would then, just let me escape that for 1 second, go back over here and drop that screen just in there. In fact, you can even just take a screenshot if you wish to. I might just take a screenshot of that and drop it in there. So bear with me 1 second while I go do that. Go to slideshow from beginning. Oops, I need to go back over here, sorry. Let me grab this up so I can screenshot it. I'll grab that one. There we are. And from beginning. And then I'll go grab that screenshot software. There it is. And then from new, I would then highlight over the top of that and do that. But unfortunately, it's got that there, so I'll get rid of that. Go new. From here, highlight over the top of that. And there you have it. But I would see if I can, yep, cool. Now I'm just going to move the mouse. Try that again. New, highlight over the top of that, and there we have it. I can now save that image somewhere, and then once I've done that, I'll be able to pop that into it. Let me just pause the video. Okay, I'm back. All I have to do is get rid of that. Hit escape. Hit escape, and go over here to my 𝗕𝗄𝗁. Then all I need to do is grab that screenshot, drag it over here. Then literally, I'll expand that up so I can see what I'm doing. Drag that down to here. Now that's a little bit too long. That's not an issue. Just take it to there, drag it down, and you now have a brand new introduction.
Chapter 2, Building a Strong Digital Presence. In faceless marketing, your digital presence is your identity.
And there you go. You've now literally, if you have your own branding, you can put your own brand on there to make it unique to you. All right, guys. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, I want to consider sharing. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this method of editing private label right videos. Also, to let you know that right here is a video, or should I say a playlist of videos that I have that's a free course that you can check out. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.